In Katli you can run A/B or even ABC tests using a short link. This allows you to test multiple destinations pages and measure which one performs better. Open your Katli dashboard and find the short link you want to test. Click the link rotation icon. A/B test. Here you can configure A/B or even ABC testing for your short link. A/B. The original link becomes version A and you can add an alternative destination as version B. By default, traffic is split 50-50 between both links. You can also enable ABC testing. This allows you to test 3 different pages, for example B and C. Then adjust the percentage of traffic sent to each version. For example, 60, 15 and 25. After setting the variation URLs and traffic distribution, click Save. Now visitors clicking your short link will be automatically distributed between the different pages. This is perfect for testing landing pages, offers or marketing campaigns. With link rotation you can easily optimize your links and improve conversion rates. Subscribe and try it yourself at Katli.